In this video, I will teach you how to create cinematic glow effects step by step using CapCut on your phone. Alright, so let's begin. You click new video, you let it open, then you scroll down to the video that you want to use. Let's select this one, add. This is it. All right, so now let's begin. I mute all sound first because I don't want any sound on this video. So look at this video. This is the color. Now let's get into it. Tap on it, highlight it. When you tap on the video, highlight it, then you scroll down here, see adjust, click adjust, click on brightness to brighten the video, saturation, brilliance, put it in +10, put the brilliance +10, sharp, put sharp in 50, good. Depending, remember, when you are adjusting, when you are enhancing your video, whatever number you will choose depends on the quality of your phone camera, the quality of your video. All right, so let's get it. Choose clarity, choose 30, leave it at 30. All right, saturation, leave it at +2, +7. okay, so you go here, look for vignette. All right, vignette, good. This vignette is to blur your back. All right, to blur your background, then to make you appear very clear. All right, leave it at 10. Number 10, let's leave it at 9. All right, so that is it. Then you leave it from here, then you keep going. You see this retouch, see face. All right, see face, tap on face, make your face smooth and clear, smooth. Keep going, you will see clear. Leave it at 50. Yeah, it's good like this. Tap your teeth, right in your teeth. Okay, all right, smoothing your face, 79. Depends on what you want. All right, normally I do leave my own at number 50. Good. All right, we need to click this adjust again, click on saturation again. All right, good. Then click on contrast, good. See, it's looking very smooth. All right, now let's go into the cinematic glow effect. Remember, I want to teach you how to create cinematic glow effect from scratch. All right, so all these things here, all these things down here, all these buttons, what you need to do is you tap on this effect, tap on it, effect. All right, you see this video effect. All right, so you search down here for glow, search for glow, cinematic glow effect. So search for glow. All right, my network is a bit slow. Let me search for it. Glow. Yeah, this it is out. It's loading. My network is slow. All right, so let's wait for it. Yeah, do you see it? click on the glow and set the video quality, set the glow cinematic, set it to the size that you want. See size, see amount, see filter, and then glow. All right, when you can increase, you can decrease. Look at me, I tap on the glow and I increase it to 84, depending on the video quality, depending on your choice, depending on what you want. Once you are done, you tick it good, then you export your video. All right, if you like this tutorial, subscribe to YouTube Tips by Blessing. All right, I drop videos every week. Subscribe. All right, I have lots more coming for you. See how beautiful this video is, from black video to that. Bye.